Oh, hi! Welcome to Happy Valley Fire Station number 6. For Fire Prevention Month this year, we're doing something a little different, but pretty awesome. We're going to give you a virtual tour of our fire station, the apparatus, and give you a taste of what we do in our 24-hour shift here in Happy Valley. So come on in.
That's an example of what happens in the middle of the night. The lights come on so we can see what we're doing. We're getting dressed. Come on, let's go get ready.
And right here is where Clay sits, Firefighter Clay.
Hey guys, how are you? Come on over and I'll show you my turnout gear. So this is my turnout, also called bunker gear. It's pretty heavy and sometimes it's hot, but it protects us from the elements inside of a house fire. My turnouts include a helmet and our SCBA, which has my mask on it. We use this to protect us from the smoke inside of a house fire so we don't breathe it and it doesn't damage our lungs.
Very cool, buddy. Thanks for showing us.
Yeah, thanks, LT.